Welcome everyone to break 424 for the 2018 Hit Parade Baseball The Cycle. Thanks everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Wednesday, February 6, 2019. It's 11:40 p.m. Eastern Time and 8:40 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Profit Plumbing with 2 spots. 802, you have 2, not 1. Dan, you have 1. Joe Blon, you have 3. Mace with 2. TJ 1. Hunter 1. Those 2. Brandon 11. Wakeboard Bill 2. Drew Tedagizame 2. And Matinee, you have 1 spot. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Profit, you're on top. Matinee, you're on the bottom. Good luck. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7 puts Drew Tedagizame on top and Joe Blon on the bottom. Okay, Drew has the Diamondbacks, 802 Braves, Brandon Orioles. Those with the Red Sox, Bill Cubs, Joe Blon White Sox, Brandon Reds, Indians, Rockies, TJ Tigers, Wakeboard Bill with the Astros, Brandon Royals, Angels, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, Danbo with the Twins, Joe Blon Mets, Profit with the Yankees, 802 Athletics, Mace with the Phillies, Brandon Pirates, those Padres, Profit Giants, Mace Mariners, Cardinals Matinee, Brandon Tampa Bay, Hunter with the Rangers, Drew Blue Jays, and last but not least, Joe Blon with the Washington Nationals. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, you have been. Oh. Okay, whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. X marks the spot. Probably have a couple prospect cards in here. College. It'll be based on who they were drafted by. Currently playing for. Depends. Yeah, some of these are so easy to cut. Some of these aren't. Alrighty. Oh, messing up my P2J over here. Okay. Let's see what we have. Okay, cool. Jeez, peer pressure. Alright, guys. Good luck to all of you. Going to start off with Kevin Hooper for the Detroit Tigers rookie auto. Detroit. Chris Medlin for the Atlanta Braves. That's auto. Never know. You never know with these. Not like you got the Bears 2 nights in a row, right? Okay, for Florida, we have Mark Canna. Franchise Futures, auto. So that one, I'm going to double check on. I don't know if Florida is referring to what, but double check it. All right, Tony Wolters. USA Future Watch Auto Game Used Jersey. Out of 899. So the Knoxville Smokies of Casey Blake. Pretty sure he played for a few teams. For those of you just joining, at the very end we'll give away the Francis Martez autograph baseball. Alright, Colton Sakamoto. Now Colton, what is that? Oh, perfect game. Yeah, so we'll have to look him up. What's the last name? Sakamoto. Clint Salmon's rookie auto for the Atlanta Braves. And again, everything you see will ship. Andrew Miller, Detroit Tigers game used jersey. It's based on the jersey, so don't worry about the logo up there. Ken Griffey Jr., Cincinnati Reds, game used jersey. Best game of all time. Alright, captured on canvas, game used jersey of Manny Ramirez for the Boston Red Sox. Yep. Okay, for the Tampa Bay Rays game used jersey, we have Akinori Awamura. Sounds right to me. Got a sweet swatch game used jersey of Carlos Lee. Gotta love the game used. Okay, so we have two different teams here. We have the Mets and the that's not the Mets, that's the Twins. Not sure why it says Mets, but the Johan Santana and Chris Carpenter dual swatches. That is the Twins. So no questions there. We got the Twins and the Cardinals. If someone owns the Twins and the Cardinals, going to you. Otherwise, we'll randomize 7 times to determine the winner. Actually, there you go, Matt. Chris Duncan, St. Louis Cardinals, Icons, game used jersey. That's hilarious. Alright, and last but not least, got quad something. Quad swatch of. Oh, that's blurry. Hang on. Let me try that again. We have Ryan Braun. There we go. Ryan Braun. So we have the Brewers, Athletics, Pirates, and Diamondbacks. Quad swatch. The Matt Halliday has a little bit of stitching in it. We're probably going to have to randomize this guy unless somebody owns all 4 teams. Brewers, A's, Pirates, Diamondbacks. Very cool. We'll save that for the end. Yeah, it's not a Roquan Smith 1 out of 1, but it is something. Put this down. And let's go highlight our winners. How about that St. Louis Cardinals guy? Matinee 81. Congratulations. Atlanta Braves. Atlanta Braves is going to 802 Sports. Congratulations. Houston Astros. Going to Wakeboard Bill. Congratulations, Wakeboard Bill. Okay, so Colton Sakamoto. I need to look him up. Sakamoto. Class of 15. So probably, if he wasn't drafted, we'll randomize him amongst everybody. Yeah, looking like Seattle Mariners. Alrighty. Can't spell. I don't know. Based on this article, it looks like he was drafted by Seattle, so we're just gonna go with Seattle. He must not have played for Seattle yet, but he's drafted by Seattle, so Seattle is going to Masola. Congrats on Sakamoto. So he was drafted by the Mariners, but did he go back to school or what? Interesting. Okay, moving on. Alright, so Andrew Miller. Now this is when he was with Detroit. So Detroit is going to TJ386. Congratulations. So other, I already have the Atlanta Braves. 802 Sports, congratulations. Here's another Detroit Tigers. Kevin Hooper. That's TJ, congratulations. Okay, let's see who has the Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox is going to those 2065. Tampa Bay is going to Brandon. Congrats, Brandon. Cincinnati Reds, Ken Griffey Jr. Going to Brandon. Congratulations, Brandon. Oh, Tom Brady going down. All right. See where Tony's going. All with Colorado. So the Colorado Rockies is going to Brandon. Congrats on what's going on here. US, that's Team USA game used jersey future watch. That's on the home stretch here. So this Mark Canna says Florida, but oh, we're looking like the Rays, or not the Rays, the Athletics. Oh yeah. Oakland Athletics is going to 802 Sports. Congratulations. I will double check that, Brandon. That's on the. We'll do that one last. That's why we don't go based off of what the card, the labeling says. Go off the jersey. No, you cannot have the Tom Brady for $20. Casey Blake. So Casey's retired, played for the Cleveland Indians the longest. And the Cleveland Indians is Brandon, so congratulations, Brandon. Casey Blake auto. Yeah, just like this, we have the Cardinals and the Twins, not the Cardinals and the Mets. So we have the Cardinals and the Twins. So we know who has the Cardinals. Matinee has the Cardinals, and the Minnesota Twins is Dan Buh. So we'll randomize 7 times between the Twins and the Cardinals. Seven times. Slot number 1 is going to win the card. Good luck once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 is going to the Minnesota Twins. So it's going to Danba. Alright, next offer. Alright, so we'll get this one right, don't worry. Yeah, good point by Brandon. Okay, so let's get real close up on this guy. So close I made it blurry. Okay. So we have the Milwaukee Brewers, Colorado Rockies. That's the CR there. Pittsburgh Pirates, Arizona Diamondbacks. So Arizona, Pittsburgh, Colorado, and Milwaukee. Alright, let's go through our list. Alright, 15. You got a deal. So first up we have Milwaukee going to... That's a different color. Let's use orange. So we have Milwaukee, then we have Colorado, which is Brandon's 2 for 2. Pittsburgh Pirates going to Brandon, and Drew Chittigizzi with Arizona. So how this is going to work is we have a 3-to-1 ratio here. So Drew has 1 spot, Brandon's going to have 3. And slot number 1, after 7 randoms, will win the card. So we have Arizona, Colorado, Milwaukee. Let's throw that back up here. So good odds, but 7 times. We'll see what happens. So we have Milwaukee, Colorado, Pittsburgh, and Arizona 7 times. Slot number 1's going to win. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 is going to Colorado. Rockies, we will change that to green. So congratulations, Brandon. We're wrapping up break 424 with your quad swatch. Ryan Braun, Matt Holliday, Nate McLeod, and Chris Young. Very nice. Alright guys, that was break 424 for the 2018 Hit Parade Baseball The Cycle. Thanks everyone for getting in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store, P2J Sports Cards. And before we go any further, we will be randomizing our Francis Marquez. See if I can't pop this guy right here. So we're going to take all 30 spots from the break. Whoever has the number one spot after 7 times will win the baseball. And that is TriStar. I don't know if you could, there we go. So we got TriStar Auto Baseball here. Wow, fits perfectly. These hockey pucks should serve a purpose. Okay, guys, good luck. Alright, so let's reset the randomizer. Okay. We're going to take all 30 spots from the break. Profit, you're on top. Matinee, you're on the bottom. Good luck. The number one slot after the 7th randomize will win the autograph baseball. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6. So one more number one slot will win the autograph baseball. That is going to Brandon. Congratulations, Brandon, on the Francis Marquez autograph baseball. FMBB. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, got hundreds of them, so they better work out pretty good. Alright, so that was break 424, baseball giveaway. And we still have our bonus break spot coming up next, but thank you guys again for getting in the break. Hope to see everyone soon. Thanks.